Hello everyone, my name is Victoria Lamask. I'm an artist and an author of Other Russias, a collection of graphic reportage. This work took about 7 years of my life, and now the book is the most important from my works. I'm glad that today there is a presentation of the issue in Catalan language. This is sixth time when the book was published. The first time the book was published in New York. The second time in London by publishing house Penguin. Then in Berlin, in Paris, in Helsinki, and in Spain. You can see that all books have a little bit different sizes, different covers, and inside there are different layout. For example, in Catalan issue, there are special symbols for any chapters. And there is a funny moment when one from Heroes of Other Russias holds a slogan with information about the book. I like fonts of the book, special lettering for replics. My opinions, this issue looks very nice. Unfortunately, I haven't been in Spain, but I'm glad to take part even online in these presentations. Now, during the pandemic, when borders of countries are closed, I'm very miss about travels and about communications with my viewers and readers. And for me, a big pleasure that I have already received a few comments from readers in Spain in social networks. You know, when Other Russias was published in 2017, I finished to work with a genre of graphic reportage. The reason is I was too tired from very sad and terrible stories. All stories in Other Russias have unhappy end. And my thinking was that I want to create something more beautiful, poetical, and I want to give a way out for people in my art. Before the pandemic, during 3 recent years, I was painting murals and was working in a monumental format. And now I'm closed in Russia without any commissions here, without any projects, because a censorship's here, very strong censorship. So I'm again drawing documentary graphics. I can show you some drawings which I made during the pandemic Russians Day, the parade in Moscow on Victory Day. From one small rally, my sketchbook looks such way. From the parade. And for me, very important to do and even finish drawings on the spot of the events. I hate to draw from photos or videos. And these drawings, not only art, but also artifacts. I hope that my works will be a part of Russian culture, Russian history. Maybe it sounds not modest, but I'm sure in it. And however, I'm not planning this moment to do the second book about Russia. I don't want it. I will be ready to do something new only when we will have new countries, without Putin's regime, with development of culture, with public life, with activities of people. I dream that Russia can be again a part of international world, and Moscow can be one of culture capitals, which everybody wants to visit. It's my dream. I wish you a very good evening today. Bye.